Are you planning to take the Master Plumbing Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to the Master Plumbing Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully for the sanitation, plumbing design and installation. Without further ado, let's start.
Question number 1. The process in which water changes from solid state directly into gaseous phase without intermediate liquid stage. Letter A, evaporation. Letter B, deposition. Letter C, condensation. Letter D, sublimation. The answer is letter D, sublimation. Question number 2. Methane has the shape of a blank with carbon at the center and a hydrogen atom at each corner. Each HCH angle in methane is 109.5 degrees, and each CH bond distance is 1.09 angstroms. Letter A, regular tetrahedron. Letter B, regular octahedron. Letter C, regular dodecahedron. Letter D, regular icosahedron. The answer is letter A, regular tetrahedron. Question number 3. A type of well in which can be constructed with hand tools and power tools. Letter A, dug wells. Letter B, driven wells. Letter C, bored wells. Letter D, drilled wells. The answer is letter A, dug wells. Question number 4. A mechanical device used to measure the volume of water passing through a pipe. Letter A, meter stop. Letter B, water meter. Letter C, corporation cock. Letter D, curb stop. The answer is letter B, water meter. Question number 5. The ball removal test for water closet utilizes 100 polypropylene balls that are 3/4 inch in diameter. The water closet must flush at least an average of blank on the initial flush of 3 different flushes. Letter A, 10 balls. Letter B, 25 balls. Letter C, 50 balls. Letter D, 75 balls. The answer is letter D, 75 balls. Question number 6. The granule test for water closet is intended to blank. Letter A, replicate the density of human feces. Letter B, simulate a flush of water feces. Letter C, determine that the water flushes all interior surfaces of the bowl. Letter D, determine the evacuation of urine in the trap seal. The answer is letter B, simulate a flush of water feces. Question number 7. A pipe fitting, which is threaded on both the inside and the outside so that it can be used to connect 2 pipes or other fittings of different sizes. Letter A, adapter. Letter B, bushing. Letter C, union patentee. Letter D, nipple. The answer is letter B, bushing. Question number 8. The property of a material described as capable of being stretched or deformed without fracturing. Letter A, elasticity. Letter B, malleability. Letter C, ductility. Letter D, brittleness. The answer is letter C, ductility. Question number 9. Water containing less than 500 ppm dissolved common salt, sodium chloride, such as that in groundwater, rivers, ponds, and lakes. Letter A, hard water. Letter B, fresh water. Letter C, natural water. Letter D, salt water. The answer is letter B, fresh water. Question number 10. The rate at which organisms use the oxygen in water or wastewater while stabilizing decomposable organic matter under aerobic conditions. In decomposition, organic matter serves as food for the bacteria, and energy results from its oxidation. Letter A, biochemical oxygen demand. Letter B, biochemical oxidation demand. Letter C, chemical oxygen demand. Letter D, chemical oxidation demand. The answer is letter A, biochemical oxygen demand. Question number 11. The formation and collapse of a gas pocket or bubble on the blade of an impeller or the gate of a valve. The collapse of this gas pocket or bubble drives water into the impeller or gate with a terrific force that can cause pitting on the impeller or gate surface. Letter A, corrosion. Letter B, cavitation. Letter C, electroflotation. Letter D, ebullition. The answer is letter B, cavitation. Question number 12. A valve that controls the flow of water with a movable spindle. Also, it can reduce the water pressure or throttling. Letter A, gate valve. Letter B, globe valve. Letter C, check valve. Letter D, butterfly valve. The answer is letter B, globe valve. Question number 13. Based on ASME A13.1-2015, the pipe color code for toxic and corrosive fluids. Letter A, red. Letter B, yellow. Letter C, brown. Letter D, orange. The answer is letter D, orange. Question number 14. A centrifugal pump contains an impeller mounted on a rotating shaft. Determine the pump impeller having no shrouds. This is used when the water being pumped contains suspended solids. Letter A, semi-open impeller. Letter B, open impeller. Letter C, semi-closed impeller. Letter D, closed impeller. The answer is letter B, open impeller. Question number 15. He invented the Suvant single-stack plumbing system, an engineered drainage system developed to improve and simplify soil, waste and vent plumbing in multi-storied buildings. Letter A, Fritz Sommer. Letter B, John Harrington. Letter C, Samuel Prosen. Letter D, Alexander Cummings. The answer is letter A, Fritz Sommer. Question number 16. The stage of fire development where the structure's fire load and oxygen are used as fuel for the fire. Letter A, decay. Letter B, fully developed. Letter C, incipient. Letter D, growth. The answer is letter D, growth. Question number 17. A sprinkler designed to be installed in such a way that the water stream is directed downward against the deflector. Letter A, concealed sprinkler. Letter B, pendant sprinkler. Letter C, recessed sprinkler. Letter D, upright sprinkler. The answer is letter B, pendant sprinkler. Question number 18. What layer of soil is acceptable to use around the seepage pit to allow for leaching? Letter A, rock layer. Letter B, clay layer. Letter C, hardpan layer. Letter D, gravel and sand layer. The answer is letter D, gravel and sand layer. Question number 19. The property of a fluid whereby its own molecules are united or attracted to each other. Letter A, viscosity. Letter B, cohesion. Letter C, surface tension. Letter D, compressibility. The answer is letter B, cohesion. Question number 20. He formulated this principle, which states that the total mechanical energy of the moving fluid comprising the gravitational potential energy of elevation, the energy associated with the fluid pressure and the kinetic energy of the fluid motion, remains constant. Letter A, Ludwig Prandtl. Letter B, Daniel Bernoulli. Letter C, Osborne Reynolds. Letter D, Jean-Laurent D'Alembert. The answer is letter B, Daniel Bernoulli. Question number 21. What does MBBR mean in the wastewater treatment process? Letter A, moving bed biofilm reactor. Letter B, membrane biological bed receptor. Letter C, medium biochemical bed receptor. Letter D, moving biological biofilm reactor. The answer is letter A, moving bed biofilm reactor. Question number 22. A type of septic tank that is prohibited. Letter A, steel. Letter B, concrete. Letter C, wood. Letter D, glass. The answer is letter C, wood. Question number 23. The minimum residual pressure required for a Class II standpipe system. Letter A, 4.5 bar. Letter B, 6.9 bar. Letter C, 12.1 bar. Letter D, 13.8 bar. The answer is letter A, 4.5 bar. Question number 24. What is the extinguishing element for a fire extinguisher type D? Letter A, water. Letter B, dry chemical. Letter C, dry powder. Letter D, foam. The answer is letter C, dry powder. Question number 25. The maximum coverage area of a single sprinkler as per Uniform Building Code. Letter A, 100 square feet. Letter B, 200 square feet. Letter C, 300 square feet. Letter D, 400 square feet. The answer is letter D, 400 square feet. That's all for this set. Comment on your score below. Thank you and good luck.